Tyrannosaurus rex, one of the most famous dinosaurs on the planet. Although, it was quite the voracious predator. Tyrannosaurus rex lived in forested river valleys in North America during the late Cretaceous period. Tyrannosaurus had a much wider range than other tyrannosaurids. Fossils are found in a variety of rock formations dating to the Maastrichtian age of the Upper Cretaceous period, 68 to 66 million years ago. It was the last known member of the tyrannosaurids, and among the last non-avian dinosaurs to exist before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Like other tyrannosaurids, Tyrannosaurus was a bipedal carnivore with a massive skull balanced by a long, heavy tail, relative to its large and powerful hind limbs. Tyrannosaurus forelimbs were short but unusually powerful for their size and had 2 clawed digits. The most complete specimen measures up to 12.3 meters in length, though T-Rex could grow to lengths of over 12.3 meters, up to 3.66 meters tall at the hips, and according to most modern estimates 8.4 metric tons to 14 metric tons in weight. It was the last known member of the tyrannosaurids. Although other theropods rivaled or exceeded Tyrannosaurus rex in size, it is still among the largest known land predators and is estimated to have exerted the strongest bite force among all terrestrial animals. By far the largest carnivore in its environment, Tyrannosaurus rex was most likely an apex predator, preying upon hadrosaurs, armored herbivores like ceratopsians and ankylosaurs, and possibly sauropods. Some experts have suggested the dinosaur was primarily a scavenger. The question of whether Tyrannosaurus was an apex predator or a pure scavenger was among the longest debates in paleontology. Most paleontologists today accept that Tyrannosaurus was both an active predator and a scavenger. Tyrannosaurus lives up to its reputation as one of the most fearsome animals of all time. Its powerful jaws had 60 teeth, each one up to 20 centimeters long, and its bite was around 3 times as powerful than that of a lion. Tyrannosaurus may have had infectious saliva used to kill its prey, as proposed by William Abler in 1992. Abler observed that the serrations on the cutting edges of the teeth are closely spaced, enclosing little chambers. These chambers might have trapped pieces of carcass with bacteria, giving Tyrannosaurus a deadly, infectious bite much like the Komodo dragon was thought to have. Jack Horner and Don Lessam, in a 1993 popular book, questioned Abler's hypothesis, arguing that Tyrannosaurus's tooth serrations are more like cubes in shape than the serrations on a Komodo monitor's teeth, which are rounded. Tyrannosaurus, and most other theropods, probably primarily process carcasses with lateral shakes of the head, like crocodilians. The head was not as maneuverable as the skulls of allosaurids, due to flat joints of the neck vertebrae. One study of Tyrannosaurus specimens with tooth marks in the bones attributable to the same genus was presented as evidence of cannibalism. Tooth marks in the humerus, foot bones and metatarsals may indicate opportunistic scavenging, rather than wounds caused by combat with another T-Rex. Other tyrannosaurids may also have practiced cannibalism. A study conducted by Lawrence Whitmer and Ryan Ridgely of Ohio University found that Tyrannosaurus shared the heightened sensory abilities of other coelurosaurs, highlighting relatively rapid and coordinated eye and head movements, as well as an enhanced ability to sense low-frequency sounds that would allow tyrannosaurs to track prey movements from long distances, and an enhanced sense of smell. A study published by Kent Stevens concluded that Tyrannosaurus had keen vision. By applying modified perimetry to facial reconstructions of several dinosaurs including Tyrannosaurus, the study found that Tyrannosaurus had a binocular range of 55 degrees, surpassing that of modern hawks. Stevens also estimated that Tyrannosaurus had 13 times the visual acuity of a human, thereby surpassing the visual acuity of an eagle, which is 3.6 times that of a person, and a limiting far point as far as 6 kilometers away, which is greater than the 1.6 kilometers that a human can see. Tyrannosaurus had very large olfactory bulbs and olfactory nerves relative to their brain size, the organs responsible for a heightened sense of smell. This suggests that the sense of smell was highly developed, and implies that tyrannosaurs could detect carcasses by scent alone across great distances. The sense of smell in tyrannosaurs may have been comparable to modern vultures, which use scent to track carcasses for scavenging. Research on the olfactory bulbs has shown that Tyrannosaurus rex had the most highly developed sense of smell of 21 sampled non-avian dinosaur species. Although extinct, Tyrannosaurus rex will still forever be the favorite of many children around the globe, and remain the true king of the dinosaurs.